Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're very curious how such videos are made, then this is the tutorial. So the first thing, record a clip of you just doing that your thing, with nobody there, and then go to an app called Pixart, and you should use any picture of any person you want to use in that and crop the picture out like I did there. And then when you crop the picture out, import the picture to the video using the app KineMaster, and go look for the video, the one you're just doing, you're just doing your thing. Alafu now add a layer of that picture, and yeah, so what I do is in animating, I press the key sign which is there, and after pressing the key sign there is a plus sign which will appear on the right side of your screen. Okay, let me wait and see. Yeah, that plus sign, and then press the plus sign and then move the image how you want it to go. That's how you animate it, and that's what I'm doing here. So once you're done, export your video, and after finishing exporting, use an app called Mega Photo, and that app, this is the app, and once it opens, put the video there, and then choose the filter which looks like that, like this filter, and record this. There's a record button there down, so use that record button, record the whole thing, and then export it again back to KineMaster. So once you're done, add the two videos in. Your video and post it wherever you want. Bye bye.